Hello everyone, this is Brandon again, all the way from Chile, and today we're gonna do a video about the Shelly Motion. We're gonna see how to connect it to the interface and how to add some actions to it, so I'll see you there. And here is the Shelly Motion. As you can see, comes this really cool box. And let's open it up. So it's right here. Has this really nice shape, and as you can see, it's really pretty. It comes with like that. You need to attach the back part right here in order to plug into the wall. It has this micro USB port in order to charge the battery. So right here it is the back part support in order to plug into the wall. Comes with the screws and everything. Has all the instruction we need. And right here, Shelly Motion, everything you need to know about it. How to plug the back part and everything you know. So out here we are putting the screws into the wall in order to get the Shelly Motion there. And as you can see, it's just really easy. Just put it there and fix this screw. So there it is, the device is ready to be used and connect to your network and start playing with it. And here I am in my Shelly Motion web interface. In order to get to this part, I first needed to connect to my Shelly Motion network. So that's the first time I turned on my device, I connected to the Shelly Motion network, and I went to this IP right here, and I was able to access the same part. But now, in order to access from my static IP, I need to connect my device to my Wi-Fi and create a static IP for it. So as you can see here, I connected to my extension Wi-Fi and I create a static IP, which is the one I'm using to connect to the Shelly Motion from my computer here on top. Once I do that, I can access from this same web interface to the actions. So we have all these different actions for the Shelly Motion. And what I did, it was to use the motion detected and the end of motion detected. I have a light right outside my door, which I need to turn on every time I come home late because I cannot see anything. But I don't want to take off my phone or just to turn on the lights. So what the Shelly Motion does is just allow me to walk by, recognize my motion, and turn on the light, the relay in this case, with this action. This IP I use for the action is the static IP address that I assign to my Shelly 1L that controls my outside lights. This way the Shelly Motion can control the Shelly 1L and turn my lights on when motion is detected. I also used the end of motion detection to turn off my device. So after some time, around 1 minute, when my device stops sensoring motion, it will turn the relay off and my lights will turn off and not stay on for a longer time. And here's a short video to demonstrate that. So my mom is walking by, the Shelly Motion recognizes the movement and the lights turn on. Well, and that was today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any question about any Shelly products, especially in the Shelly Motion, please leave a comment below and I'll respond to them. So thank you for watching, I'll see you then.